Ever struggled to find the right word? You're not alone. We've all been there, fumbling for the perfect word to express our thoughts, but worry not, for today we're embarking on a journey to expand our vocabulary and appreciate the beauty of synonyms. We'll be exploring 10 fascinating words, each with its own unique set of synonyms, a linguistic treasure trove waiting to be discovered. So brace yourselves as we dive into the world of words. Our journey begins with the word effervescent, a fancy way to say bubbly or lively. Picture a person full of enthusiasm, always energetic and vibrant. That's effervescent for you. In a sentence, we might say, her effervescent personality makes her the life of every party. Some synonyms include vivacious, spirited, and dynamic. Next up, we have loquacious. This term is used to describe someone who talks a great deal, often more than necessary. For instance, the loquacious commentator kept the audience engaged throughout the match. Synonyms for loquacious might be talkative, garrulous, or chatty. The last word for this section is ineffable. It refers to something so great or extreme that it cannot be expressed or described in words. For example, the beauty of the sunset was ineffable. Synonyms could be indescribable, unspeakable, or beyond words. So, effervescent, loquacious, and ineffable. Remember these words, as they could be your game changer. Moving on, we encounter the word serendipity, a fortunate accident. Stemming from an old Persian fairy tale, this word embodies the joy of unexpected and beneficial discoveries. Picture this. You're ambling through an old bookstore and you stumble upon a first edition of your favorite novel that's serendipity. Some synonyms include fluke, stroke of luck, and happy coincidence. Next up, we have epiphany, a sudden realization. It's like a light bulb moment when a complex problem suddenly becomes clear. An example could be, after hours of pondering, John had an epiphany about the solution to the puzzle. Synonyms include revelation, insight, and breakthrough. Lastly, we explore ephemeral, meaning short-lived or temporary. Here's how you can use it. The beauty of a sunset is ephemeral. It doesn't last forever. Synonyms are transient, fleeting, and momentary. So, serendipity, epiphany, and ephemeral, these words could help you express yourself better. Last but not least, we have the word limerence, an intense infatuation. It's that head over heels feeling you get when you're smitten with someone. Next, we have nostalgia, a wistful desire to return to a former time in one's life. Third is petrichor, the pleasant earthy scent that follows a rainfall. And finally, sonorous, having a deep, rich sound. Let's use these in a sentence. His sonorous voice filled the room, evoking a sense of nostalgia and limerence, much like petrichor after a downpour. And those were limerence, nostalgia, petrichor, and sonorous, powerful words that can add flavor to your language. And there you have it, 10 words to enhance your vocabulary. From our first word to the last, each one with its synonyms offers a new way to express yourself. Remember, a rich vocabulary is a tool that opens up worlds of opportunity. So keep learning, keep growing, and until next time, happy word hunting.